It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. Starting inside the front of the Denali, the driver's door has power locks, power windows with automatic express windows, power adjustable side mirrors and power folding mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat, and a premium Bose sound system. The left of the steering wheel has our telescopic steering wheel button, the heads-up display button and information tab, traction control, park assist, power adjustable running boards, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the trailer brake. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, all-weather floor matting, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons, power liftgate buttons, programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. And if we push this button down here, we've got some USB plugins and a storage compartment in the back. The engine push start button, our hard buttons for our media and radio, CD player, dual climate control with air conditioning, rear climate control buttons, heated and cooled front leather seats, some USB ports and power plugins. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on top of the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, fog lights, 22-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards down below. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Denali tail lamps and a power lift gate. We're going to pop that open by pushing that button twice on the key fob. In the back of the Denali, we've got the buttons to fold the second and third row seating down, power plugins, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and the rear speakers. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has some power plugins, heated rear seats, and our rear climate control buttons with a storage compartment down below. Armrests on both middle seats. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle, or we'll pull the lever located on the side of the seat. In the rear, we've got 3 additional seats with cup holders and power plugins. So come take a look at the 2017 GMC Yukon Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.